Welcome to Davos. We at HCLSoftware are building our entire approach towards a theme which Davos this year is talking about rebuilding trust. Our entire value proposition is building around what we call as platform of trust. Is as economies go through significant evolution, as the world becomes more and more hyper-local but also global, so we clearly seeing globalization happening. The core theme around building trust becomes very important. Trust between governments, trust between societies, but also trust between platforms. And that's where our whole theme around platform of trust becomes extremely important. Ability to orchestrate a business lifecycle from how do you attract customers, how do you transact, how do you nurture, but in a very responsible way where you keep privacy and trust at the core of the offerings, which is supported by an ability to get more citizen developers, bring in more low code, infuse generative AI to be able to develop applications and build new data capabilities in a hybrid data world, because data being generated all across means that you need to provide data access and capability across the whole cloud to edge. And finally, extremely important is what we call how do you operate a hybrid multi-cloud edge environment by leveraging the power of AI ops and significant automation to deliver value and outcome. So again, welcome to Davos, and look forward to interacting with you over the next few days at the HCLSoftware Pavilion. Thank you.